Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from your Binance wallet to your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is head on over to our Binance account. So go to binance.com and then make sure to log in or sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. And then also we need to have the extension here, so we need to go ahead and make sure the Phantom extension is installed on your Google Chrome. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be using my Phantom extension, and then make sure to log in or sign up. Right, I'm going to unlock my account here, and now I want to go ahead and click on receive. Now I'm going to choose Solana, and now I'm going to copy this address from here. I'm going to go inside Binance. I'm going to go assets, go to overview, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on the transfer button on the top right hand corner of the page, and now a little transfer window should appear. From here, where it says coin, I want to choose Solana. Here it is here. And now for this demonstration, I'm going to put in 5 sols. I don't have 5 Solanas. And then from here, it's pretty much you just got to confirm it. And then the next page, put in your Phantom wallet receive address from Solana that we've already copied, and then paste that in, and then you'll send 5 sol from Binance to your Phantom wallet